Hi, my name's Phil. I work for a company called Circuit Factory. We're a health and fitness business and we specialize in transforming people's lifestyles and bodies through fitness and food. To celebrate the Dubai 30 and 30 fitness initiative, we've teamed up with the good people at Mumzworld to offer one lucky mum a lifestyle and body transformation. This is a complete system and it's worked with thousands of people, helping them to lose life-changing amounts of weight. We're looking for one mum who's overcome great adversity to get where she is on this very day. If that is you, then please send us a message. Let us know, what is it that you've overcome? What is your story? And if that isn't enough, we're going to give you the opportunity to tell your story. We will provide the resources to make a video so that you can share your story with the world, so that your courage and your strength can inspire all the other mums in Dubai.